welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new tutorial. By the way, guys, before we start, I would like to wish everyone a very happy new year, and I hope this year brings you so much of happiness and yeah, have fun. Okay, so let's start. Today we are going to learn how to create an avatar style video and we promote our product. So I have my Notion here. Okay, so we are going to create an avatar style movie to promote our normal product using AI. Alright, so first what I'm going to do is that I will go to my Google. I actually have selected my model already. Those you can use your model or you can use your picture. I have selected my model already, and I went to Google AI Studio. There is my model. Okay, so I went to Google AI Studio and I told Google AI Studio to combine these two pictures into one, so merge them into a one picture. Here is our model and here is our product. By the way, if you want to create a fake branded product, you can just go to Google Gemini and you can tell Google Gemini to give you some fake unknown brand types like ring brand, snack brand, shoe brand, and more. And the name should be from your name, like how I did. So and then they will give you food brand, Anshita AI Hydro, Anshita AI Brew, Anshita AI Crunch, Anshita AI Fuel. So they will have your name also. If you wish to have a product on your name, so you can do this. Alright, so I will click a new chat. But first, let me show you how do I create it. So we're gonna type model. Okay, make sure it's front facing. Okay, let's say I want to choose this. Alright, I will copy this image, paste, and I will copy my product image also and then paste. And then I will copy the prompt. Prompt is pretty simple. Combine these two images into one, merge these two images into a one picture, and model is holding the product. And click run. Plus, try to play around also to get a better result. That's what I can suggest. In the meantime, let's choose our avatar picture. So there's a movie have released Avatar Fire and Ash. So we can choose the characters here. Since our model is female, I would prefer to go with female as well. Um, I think this is nice. I think I'll go with this one. Right now, let's see how our result is. Okay, this is just a sample. I hope you get the idea. Exactly the same way, like how I showed you previously in how to create an AI influencer tutorial. I will put the link. I will attach the video in the I button. So I hope you get the idea. But I will still go with this model. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy image, go to Google Gemini. Alright, so I'm gonna copy this image, go to Google Gemini, paste this image. Now we're gonna select our avatar image. I'm gonna go with this, copy and paste this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our Notion. We are gonna copy this prompt, go back, paste, and submit. And Google Gemini will do the work. So this will take a while. Once it's done, I'll get back. Okay, so we have our result now. There were some error actually. At first they have generated our model in the avatar background. And then I told Gemini to replace the woman into avatar, and then this is the result. And then I told Google Gemini to change the clothes into avatar style, and finally we have our result here. So I'm gonna download this.
Please prepare your work reports and key data.
Okay, so we use Kling AI for image to video generator. Okay, you can try other platforms also, and we have put our video prompt here, and we can select the voice also. So just once you add your prompt, there will be a box here, select your voice. I select my voice already, and this is our image. And then once you're done, click generate and your generation will start. So this will take a while. Once it's done, I will get back. Okay, so we have our result already.
This is a taste of our world.
And as you can see that the our character is talking.
This is a taste of our world.
Okay. I think it's better, but I think we should tweak the dialogues. So let's try. There is a icon here which represents the lip syncing. Okay, so we can upload our local dubbing, or we can put text to speech. So what I have done, I went to Google Gemini and I told Google Gemini to give me some, promoting a product dialogue. All right, let's see. I think I'm gonna go with this. All right, and I'm gonna paste, add speech. So our lip syncing reference video has been generated with the text we have given. So let's see how it's gonna be. This will take time. So once it's done, I'll get back. Okay, so we have got our result already. Now let's see how our result is.
Elevate your ritual. Matte black packaging, liquid gold inside, and Cheetah A. Elevate your ritual. Matte black packaging, liquid gold inside, and Cheetah A. Elevate your ritual. Matte
Okay, this
Black
is okay. Just the dialogue got cut in between, but
Packaging
otherwise this is fine. Plus, you can go to edit here, and
Liquid
since there is a text to speech, as you can see, you can scroll down and you can select the actors that you want. Here's all. If you click all, then the all will come out. Profession, you can select according to your needs. All right, and once you have select your voice, click replace and generate. Okay, that's what I have done actually, but the dialogue got trimmed, so it's okay, no worries, we still can use it. Just, I think it's better the dialogue
Gold
that should not get trimmed actually, but it's fine.
inside.
I'll find another way out. But I hope you get the idea, guys, how you can create avatar model. All right, plus the lip sync also. So I hope you get the idea, and I hope you get how it works. You can use this with Picverse as well, or VO3, or Google Flow. Go according to your needs. Choose your tools. Okay, you just play around. That's what I can suggest to get the better result. Otherwise, you get the idea already. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for all of you. And if you're watching until the very end, please comment I have watched till the very end, or drop a yellow heart or yellow star. Plus, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.